What's a great beginner's portfolio for someone who's just starting to invest? Someone asked me that question during a live yesterday. Here's the answer. My name is Kenneth, and I've been investing for over 20 years and trading stocks for the last 13, and now I teach people on TikTok how to do the same. First thing you're going to want to do is open a brokerage account. Now, I know TD Ameritrade is switching over to Schwab, but it hasn't happened for me, so I'm going to continue to use them as an example. Just go here and hit open a new account. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to pick from one of these, either an individual account just for you or a Roth IRA if you're planning for retirement. Then you're going to remind yourself that you are a new investor. So the first thing you need to do is work on building that foundation. In the style of my friend Austin Hankwitz, we're going to go to the notepad. And you're going to consider investing in something called a broad market S&P 500 index fund. And these are a few choices. You only need one. Now that you have the S&P 500 index fund as your foundation, you can start branching out into something like perhaps a dividend-based ETF. And we've got a couple of examples here. Now you have the S&P 500 index fund, the dividend fund, but what about growth? These are a few growth-based ETFs. You can do your own research and make your own decisions. So we have a pretty good portfolio here, but what about some monthly income? Don't worry, I got you covered there too. Now, before I get into the very last category, it would mean a lot if you hit the follow, the save, the share, whatever you feel like doing if you thought this video was helpful. The monthly income is going to come from something called covered call ETFs, and here are a few choices. Now, if you're watching this and you're going, whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know what any of this stuff means. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I've got playlists for everything, so go take a look, do your own research, and I'm here to help if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.